To the DAPI Application and Promotion Institute, Director Edgar I. Garcia, and our DOST officials, my colleagues from MIRDC, FNRI, FPRDI, TTRI, Assured, and representatives from the DOST 4A, distinguished guests. Let's start first from the government sector. We have from the Department of National Defense, from the Department of Budget and Management, and from staff, representative from International Rice Research Institute, PhilMec, Department of Trade and Industry, from the Export Marketing Bureau, and from also the Board of Investment, as well as the Iron and Steel Board of Investment and the Metal Casting Board of Investment. And our also distinguished guest from the Academe, we have from the UPLB, IAE and the BioMech. We also have guests from the Ateneo Intellectual Property Office, Adamson University, Dr. Luna A. Mansour, our former ITDI director, together with other officials from Adamson, the Dean, Ms. Perdita Crosses, and Ms. Angeli Ann Resuber. And we also have our guest from the University of Santo Tomas, Dean Filipina Marcelo, and Chair of the Chemical Engineering, Mark Punzalan. And from our guest from the industry, let me acknowledge first Mr. Manuel Almonte Jr. from the Deca Technologies, and then our special guest from the Hino Motors Philippine Corporation, April Araguas and Florentino Martin. Guest from Petron Corporation, Ms. Heidi Baltas, and Cindy Gomgona from the Orthopedic International Incorporated. My ITDI family, Deputy Director Diane Ignacio, and the Advatel staff headed by Dr. Araceli Lozada, and also the TAPI staff. Good morning and a pleasant day to everyone. Before I would start my welcome remarks, I would also like to thank the organizing committee, Director Edgar Garcia, and his staff for organizing this activity. And this is the launching of the spices. It is my great pleasure and honor to welcome you all at the launching of the strategic promotion through integrating collaboration and engagement of SMEs to support the technology transfer and commercialization of the DOST-Developed technologies, including testing laboratories and services, or simply hashtag spices to DOST labs. The hashtag spices to DOST labs is one of the many strategies of the Department of Science and Technology in making its services available to various stakeholders. With this launching, we want to tell you that we are one with you as entrepreneurs in looking at your needs, and together we find solutions to issues relative to the industry You fit in improving productivity through an innovative ecosystem in your operations, improving quality of your products or services, and increasing the number of outputs. In particular, we want to offer you our premier laboratories and services. We hope that with these resources, we can help your businesses create cost-efficient solutions and more effective productions. I am proud to say that one of the premier laboratories that we have here in DOST is in this building, which is under the Industrial Technology Development Institute, or ITDI, where I belong. I am honored that the Advanced Device and Materials Testing Laboratory, or ADMATEL, is the first of the series of laboratory visits that we will showcase you in the coming months. We have prepared a lot for you today, including actual demonstrations of the testing services we offer. We cannot wait for you to experience that later during the laboratory tours. This activity is more than an offering of services. This is an encouragement for meaningful collaborations and partnerships with our scientific and business stakeholders, particularly our local SMEs. I believe that most of you are aware of the different programs and projects of the department. According to Association for Intelligent Information Management, or AIOM, collaboration is a working practice whereby individuals work together to a common purpose to achieve business benefits. And while we are here today, let us collaborate. Perhaps you have attended one or two of our events and ever had been granted assistance by any means. I am very glad to see familiar faces today, and I also would like to acknowledge our media friends and partners also. They are here for this activity. I have always observed that a simple exchange of ideas with colleagues in activities such as today can elicit a successful collaboration. So again, let us collaborate. That is why we continue to make venues where we can listen, speak, and freely interact with our industry partners. Our services in the form of using our laboratories and facilities and providing consultations create a collaborative and innovative environment to address the needs specifically of the industry to improve productivity and efficiency. As the head of DOST-ITDI, I have felt this great responsibility not only because we are the first to be showcased in this series of laboratory visits, but more importantly, we hope to bring meaningful relationships with you by stimulating a curious mind and starting a research and development activity. With that, I wish you a fruitful day. Again, welcome and good morning.